This orange cream cheese pound cake has a creamy, dense, and tender crumb that's bursting with vanilla orange flavor and scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. Dusted with icing sugar and topped with vanilla ice cream, it captures the nostalgic flavor of an orange creamsicle. To prepare a seasoned room temperature mini skillet, rub butter evenly along the inside and coat in granulated sugar. To make orange cream cheese pound cake, rub 2 grams orange zest into 25 grams granulated sugar. Then cream the orange sugar into 25 grams room temperature cream cheese until smooth. Add 5 grams orange brandy, 5 grams vanilla extract, an egg yolk, and mix well. Fold in 25 grams flour and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed. Do not overmix. Spread the batter on the bottom of the prepared skillet and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. Let the cake cool down for at least 5 minutes or until cool enough to handle. Then gently run a small palette knife around the edge to make the cake easier to release. Serve the orange pound cake with a dusting of icing sugar and a scoop of vanilla ice cream.